If you had $1,000 right now, where should you put it in 2026? Not in your savings account. Inflation will quietly eat it alive. Here's the smart move: backhand index pointing down. First, index funds. Instead of guessing winning stocks, buy the whole market through something like the S&P 500. It's simple. It's proven. And long-term? It wins. Second, AI and tech ETFs. Artificial intelligence isn't slowing down. Companies building AI infrastructure are dominating. A diversified tech ETF gives exposure without betting on one company. Third, Bitcoin, small portion only. Love it or hate it, Bitcoin is now mainstream. Even big institutions hold it. But keep it under 10%. High risk, high reward. Fourth, invest in yourself. Courses, skills, certifications. A skill can pay you 10x more than any stock. Here's the real secret. Don't try to get rich fast. Split your $1,000. Stay consistent. Reinvest profits. Because in 2026, the investors who win aren't lucky. They're disciplined.